Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Dream League Soccer not launching or wouldn't start on Android.
Fix 1. Restart phone Step 1. Hold power button Step 2. Tap Restart Step 3. Open DLS 26 again Fix 2. Check internet connection Step 1. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data Step 2. Switch network Wi-Fi left row data Step 3. Relaunch the game Fix 3. Clear game cache Step 1. Settings Apps Dream League Soccer 2026 Step 2. Storage Step 3. Tap Clear Cache Fix 4. Update DLS 26 Step 1. Open Google Play Store Step 2. Search DLS 26 Step 3. Tap Update Fix 5. Update Android System Step 1. Settings. Software Update Step 2. Download and install Update Step 3. Restart phone Fix 6. Free up storage Step 1. Settings Storage Step 2. Delete unused apps/files Step 3. Keep at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free Fix 7. Disable VPN/private DNS Step 1. Turn off VPN Step 2. Settings, Network, Private DNS, Automatic Step 3. Open DLS 26 Fix 8. Reinstall the game Step 1. Uninstall DLS 26 Step 2. Restart phone Step 3. Install again from Play Store Fix 9. Check device compatibility Step 1. Open Play Store page. Step 2. Check Android version and requirements Step 3. Update device if needed.